Street. You could be in Peru and you hear a distant calling and you know it's meant for you. Then you drop what you are doing and you join the merry mob, and before you know just where you are, you're in an Irish pub. They've got one in Honolulu, they've got one in Moscow too, 4 of them in Sydney and a couple in Kathmandu. So whether you sing or pull a pint, you'll always have a job, 'cause wherever you go around the world, you'll find an Irish pub. Now that design is fairly simple and it usually works the same. You'll have Razorhampton scoring in the Ireland-England game. You know you're in an Irish pub the minute you're in the door, for a couple of boys with Borans will be murdering Christy Moore. They've got one in Honolulu, they've got one in Moscow too, 4 of them in Sydney and a couple in Kathmandu. So whether you sing or pull a pint, you'll always have a job, 'cause wherever you go around the world, you'll find an Irish pub. Now the owner is Norwegian and the manager comes from Cork. The lad that's holding up the bar says only inches work. He was born and bred in Bolton, but his mommy's from Kildare, and he's going to make his fortune soon and move to County Clare. They've got one in Honolulu, they've got one in Moscow too, 4 of them in Sydney and a couple in Kathmandu. So whether you sing or pull a pint, you'll always have a job, 'cause wherever you go around the world, you'll find an Irish pub. Now it's time for me to go, I have to catch the train. I'll leave you sitting in the bar and face the wind and rain, or I'll have the pint you owe me if I've not gone on the dry, when we meet next week in Frankfurt in the fields of Athenry. They've got one in Honolulu, they've got one in Moscow too, 4 of them in Sydney and a couple in Kathmandu. So whether you sing or pull a pint, you'll always have a job,